Hey everyone, and welcome to my CompTIA AI Essentials exam course. I'm here to guide you through everything you need to confidently pass your AI Essentials certification. Whether you're completely new to artificial intelligence or looking to formalize your knowledge, this comprehensive course has got you covered. Be warned, this is the first time I've ever done a study guide for YouTube, so if part 1 goes well, I'll drop the rest. I've been working in the AI space now for the last 3 years, however, I did not realize how long it would take me to put this video together. And of course, the first part of the study guide is the absolute longest. Please consider subscribing and liking this video, and let me know in the comments if you think it's beneficial. Hopefully you find it useful. Today we're diving into part 1 of 5, AI Unveiled, where we'll demystify artificial intelligence, explore its foundations, and set you up for success. By the end of this series, you'll be fully prepared to ace that exam. Let's unlock the world of AI together. Let's get started. Section 1. The ubiquitous presence of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is no longer confined to science fiction. It's everywhere around us, streamlining our activities from morning to night. Think about your daily routine. You encounter AI when you check the weather on your phone, receive real-time traffic updates during your commute, search for information on the internet, stream your favorite music, or scroll through social media feeds. But AI's presence extends far beyond common uses. Your smartwatch uses AI to monitor your health metrics and suggest workout activities based on real-time data. In your professional life, AI can sort through your emails and organize your tasks, and even schedule your meetings automatically now. At home, AI learns your preferences to adjust temperature settings, control lighting, and manage security systems in smart homes. AI has truly become your constant companion, making countless daily conveniences possible that we take for granted. Section 2. Distinguishing intelligences, human, traditional, and artificial. Now, let's clarify fundamental differences between human intelligence, traditional computing, and artificial intelligence. Understanding these distinctions is crucial for grasping what AI truly is. First, let's discuss human intelligence. This refers to the unique mental ability of humans to learn from experience, adapt to new situations, process abstract concepts, and use the knowledge to manipulate their environment. The human brain is an incredible organ capable of processing thousands of inputs simultaneously while also experiencing emotions. Think of human intelligence like baking a cake, combining a dozen seemingly random ingredients into something new and fantastic, then learning from that experience to create new, unique experiences. Next, we have traditional computing. This is binary in nature, taking input and producing output based on predefined programs written by humans. Traditional computing only stores, remembers, and processes information exactly as instructed. Using our baking analogy, traditional computing is like always following a recipe with extreme precision, ensuring reliability and straightforward results every single time. Finally, artificial intelligence. AI is a discipline focusing on machines that possess the ability to carry out tasks that traditionally would require human intelligence. Think of AI like a robot that learns to bake cakes by watching videos, reading recipes, and analyzing thousands of cake photos. It uses algorithms to process data and make decisions, improving over time by learning new information. However, this is important. Unlike humans, AI does not experience emotions, pride, or personal satisfaction. It processes data and automates tasks. For exam purposes, it's important to know it lacks that innate ability to invent truly new ideas. It can only synthesize existing ones. Section 3. The evolution of AI, from fiction to reality. The journey of AI has been fascinating, evolving from science fiction dreams to modern workplace reality. Let's trace this evolution. The roots of AI trace back to the mid-20th century, with researchers dreaming of creating machines that could mimic human intelligence. However, the path wasn't always that smooth. During the 1970s and the 1980s, we experienced what are known as the AI winters, periods of reduced funding and interest, with many doubting whether intelligent machines would even be feasible. But the 21st century brought a significant resurgence. AI is now an integral part of our lives, with computers dramatically increasing AI's capabilities and functionality. Since 2020, we've seen an unprecedented acceleration. AI functionality and processes have advanced at the rate that's almost hard to comprehend, progressing monthly and even daily. Sometimes it feels like hourly. This rapid growth has created what we call a digital Wild West, where anything is possible. Today's modern applications to AI are everywhere. AI powers personalized recommendation streaming platforms like Netflix and online shops like Amazon. It drives virtual assistants and autonomous vehicles. Machine learning algorithms analyze vast amounts of data to uncover insights and make decisions at previously unimaginable speed. From humanoid robots to medical diagnosis assistants, AI's applications are diverse and constantly expanding. Looking to the future, we see ongoing advancements in quantum computing, natural language processing, and ethical considerations. The key message here is that now is the time to understand and learn to use AI. It can augment your work. It can increase your efficiency, and it can serve as a valuable companion in your professional journey. Section 4. Subsets of AI, the power of pattern recognition. At its core, all subsets of AI are fundamentally about pattern recognition. Let's explore the distinct subfields that build upon each other. Starting with the broadest term, artificial intelligence itself serves as the umbrella for all the technologies we'll discuss. Machine learning, or ML, is a crucial subfield. It empowers computers and phones to learn from their experiences using algorithms and statistical models to analyze data patterns to create inferences. Think of it this way. Machines learn by analyzing vast amounts of data and identifying patterns, similar to how a friend might learn to recognize different types of trees by seeing many examples. Machine learning systems sift through data to learn from it and use those insights for predictions and decisions. That's what's behind Netflix recommending movies based on your viewing habits. Deep learning takes things farther. This subset uses principles from neurology, specifically neural networks, to mimic the functionality of a human brain. It uses layers of artificial neural networks and algorithms designed to recognize patterns by mimicking how neurons connect and fire together. Deep learning excels in advanced pattern recognition and powers technologies like voice recognition systems that transcribe speech and image analysis tools that identify objects and photos. It enables computers to learn from experiences and make more precise decisions through predictions. Generative AI is often what comes to mind when people think about AI today. It's a subset of deep learning that focuses on training models to generate high-quality text, images, and other custom content. Think of generative AI models as digital artists and authors. They're trained by digesting and learning from massive data sets. Think like Wikipedia or vast art galleries. This information is distilled and compressed into a manageable form. Using this condensed knowledge, generative AI can produce new content that feels familiar yet entirely original, whether that's novel text, unique images, or new musical compositions. As deep learning technology evolves, these generative models are becoming capable of handling increasingly complex data types. Finally, we have narrow AI, a specialized form that focuses on excelling at one particular job. It uses principles from machine learning and deep learning to become an expert in its specific domain. Narrow AI sticks to what it knows best. Everyday examples include language translation apps and customer service chatbots. These systems are tailored for effective performance on specific tasks. Section 5. Artificial intelligence versus augmented intelligence, the human factor. It's crucial to understand the difference between artificial intelligence and augmented intelligence. The distinction centers on the human factor. Augmented intelligence refers to AI technologies that assist humans. Think of a modern car's voice-activated Bluetooth system or lane-keeping assistance features. These require a human driver to be present to operate the vehicle. They assist the driving experience, but does not replace the driver. Autonomous intelligence, on the other hand, refers to AI technologies that function autonomously without human involvement. Let's go back to using our car's example. This would be the autopilot or the self-driving mode, which doesn't require a human and is capable of driving and navigating independently, essentially replacing the driving experience entirely. The key difference between the two is the presence of a human being throughout the entire process. This distinction is fundamental to understanding how different AI applications are designed and deployed. Section 6. Getting started with AI, the AI mindset and project steps. Embarking on any AI project requires more than just technical knowledge. It requires developing what we call an AI mindset. This involves understanding the problems AI can solve, strategic planning, ethical considerations, and a commitment to continuous learning. Let's explore the components of the AI mindset. First, maintain openness to growth and progress. Be flexible and ready to adapt to new AI tools as they emerge, because they're coming out every single day. Second, take responsibility for use. Accept and embrace your responsibility when using AI tools. Third, remember that AI is not a source of truth. This is critical. Generative AI, while powerful for producing content quickly, is fallible and prone to incorrectly synthesizing information or even making things up. This is what we call hallucinating. Always check what AI provides before committing to it, believing it, using it, or sharing it. Use critical thinking to combine AI's quick output with your own skills and knowledge. Fourth, think of AI as a collaborator. AI is a powerful tool for producing content quickly, but it still requires prompting or existing products to work with it. Instead of viewing AI as a replacement for humans, see it as a creation partner. It can review papers, code, or images, improving your speed in creating the content you want to make. Fifth, grow your technical proficiency. AI is constantly evolving. Develop a mindset of continuous learning to master new terms, skills, and applications as AI grows. Finally, be mindful of ethical implications. AI is relatively new technology with legitimate concerns regarding data privacy, potential for cheating, copyright and project ownership issues, and credibility questions. Be respectful to others' concerns and aware that AI is an emergent technology experiencing growing pains. Next, let's outline the key steps to starting an AI project. These provide a consistent process for almost any AI use case. Step 1. Define your problem. Clearly articulate how you want to use AI, whether it's to proofread, analyze data, or generate images. A clear and concise problem leads to optimal responses. Broad problems are harder for AI to address effectively. Step 2. Identify your components. Break down the problem into key parts that need addressing. For data analysis, this includes specific types of analysis, constraints, or desired focus areas. This helps refine the AI's task. Step 3. Identify what AI tool to use. Select the appropriate tool based on your problem and components. This might be for generative AI for text, image, or audio creation, grammar and spell checkers, or data analysis AI. Research is crucial here as technology rapidly evolves. Step 4. Integrate the AI. This involves actively using AI to solve your problem, whether by prompting it, submitting data to review, or applying it to your current workflow. Step 5. Review the AI's output. Always, and I cannot stress this enough, always double check the AI's output for correctness, lack of bias, and accurate interpretation. AI is not perfect, and this final review step is crucial. Section 7. Managing AI in your organization. Implementing AI in the workspace comes with various challenges, especially for generative AI, which many organizations are still trying to understand. Organizations vary widely in their AI adaptation. Some have fully embraced AI, while many remain hesitant due to legal and ethical questions. Solutions often involve balancing AI implementation with a tight usage guideline that aligns with organizational values. Here's a critical point. Always check with your organization before using any AI in your work. Many organizations restrict or even ban AI entirely. Even if your organization does endorse AI, specific departments like IT or legal may have additional restrictions. State or federal laws may also impact AI use. Some organizations might allow grammar checkers but prohibit generative AI. Always ask for guidance on which specific tools you are allowed to use. This isn't just good practice. It's essential for maintaining your compliance and protecting both yourself and your organization. Section 8. Applying AI solutions in business. AI is revolutionizing business practices by automating processes, analyzing large data sets, and providing actionable insights. Let's explore specific AI types and their business applications. First, we have narrow AI. Narrow AI finds use in chatbots for customer support, recommendation engines, fraud detection systems, and predictive maintenance applications. Machine learning, it's applied in predictive analytics, customer segmentation, credit scoring, supply chain optimization, and even anomaly detection and cybersecurity. Deep learning powers image and speech recognition, natural language processing for sentiment analysis and chatbots, autonomous vehicles, and personalized content recommendations for systems. Generative AI is transforming content generation for marketing, creative design and graphic arts and media production, visual simulations for training, and product design iterations. Natural language processing enhances customer interactions through chatbots, sentiment analysis, language translation, and text summarization. Reinforcement learning tackles optimization problems, game playing, robotics, automated decision-making, and dynamic resource allocation. Speech recognition enables virtual assistants, voice-controlled interfaces, transcription services, and accessibility tools. Adaptive learning systems personalize educational content, improve learning outcomes, and enhance engagement in training environments. AI significantly improves business efficiencies in several key areas. In supply chain management, AI can optimize logistics, predicts demand accurately, and automates inventory management. For coordination and collaboration, AI-powered tools streamline team coordination, prioritize tasks, allocate resources efficiently, and facilitate seamless communication. Through process automation, AI handles routine tasks, freeing human resources for high-value activities requiring creativity and critical thinking, like robotic process automation in manufacturing. AI can also enhance customer service dramatically. Customer support chatbots offer 24/7 assistance. They can answer queries, resolve issues swiftly, and learn from past interactions to improve responses. Personalization systems analyze customer data to provide tailored recommendations, just like Netflix's suggestion engine. Customer insights processing helps businesses understand behavior and preferences. It enables better marketing strategies and product offerings. Additional customer-focused applications include things like customer feedback analysis to identify trends across platforms, dynamic pricing tools that adjust prices in real time based on demand and market factors, Personalized marketing campaigns that segment customers for targeted promotions. Virtual personal shoppers providing customized online shopping experiences. Customer sentiment analysis for interpreting those emotions and feedback in social media. Customized content delivery and matching individual interests. And voice-assisted shopping for enabling hands-free, accessible interactions. Section 9. Impact of AI on business and society. AI's impact extends broadly, influencing businesses as a collaborative partner in transforming various aspects of society. For businesses, AI can bring an enhanced efficiency through automation that streamlines repetitive tasks, boosting productivity and reducing cost. It provides data-driven insights by analyzing vast amounts of data at superhuman speeds, extracting actionable intelligence for informed decisions, market trend prediction, and process optimization. AI enables personalized experiences, delivering customized products, services, and marketing campaigns that enhance customer satisfaction, foster loyalty, and drive growth. Through predictive analytics and optimization, AI can identify cost savings opportunities in operations, inventory, and reduce resource allocation and maintenance, leading to significant reductions and improved profitability. Generative AI specifically has sparked a creative revolution in music and storytelling. It enhances creativity by offering a constant stream of new ideas, pushing the traditional creative boundaries. Its broad applications make it a versatile tool in inspiring new forms of artistic expression. As a creative partnership, it complements human creativity, refining ideas and executing complex tasks. In art generation, AI can craft digital paintings, sketches, and multimedia art based on user prompts specifying imagery, art style, canvas size, characters, and colors. For music composition, it can create original music across genres by analyzing vast amounts of databases that involve melodies and rhythms. In writing and storytelling, AI produces works of fantasy, science fiction, or historical fiction, analyzing extensive literary works to generate coherent, detailed, and contextually appropriate texts under user control, writing level, themes, and topics. AI is also transforming career opportunities. Let's explore emerging roles. Data scientists and analysts collect and analyze vast amounts of data to extract important elements and draw conclusions faster with AI. Required skills include statistics, marketing, computer science, and business intelligence. Machine learning engineers build and design AI tools, train AI systems, maintain current systems, conduct research, and seek improvements. They need advanced math and programming skills. AI researchers test and push AI limits in corporate R&D academia, aiming for continued growth and evolution. Skills include math, engineering, design, and research methodology. Some focus on human interaction, requiring a knowledge of human development, psychology, and sociology. AI ethics specialists address impacts and responsible AI use, enforcing guidelines for environmental initiatives and response filters. Backgrounds includes engineering, computer science, law, philosophy, and social science. AI solution architects serve as chief designers for AI tools and products, identifying problems, designing solutions, and creating mathematical models. They need advanced math, engineering, design, social science, and some project management skills. AI product managers oversee workflow and interactions between team members, providing oversight and organizing development. Backgrounds include engineering, business, social science, organization, and communication. AI consultants work as freelance professionals, contracting with organizations that provide AI assistance, integration advice, and design services. They possess skills from all the discussed fields and are self-motivated. AI's societal impact is equally as important. In healthcare, AI aids medical diagnosis, accelerates drug discovery, enables personalized treatments, and facilitates telemedicine, especially benefiting remote areas. For education, AI personalizes learning experiences, implements adaptive curricula, introduces virtual classrooms, and assists teachers with lesson plans and data analysis. In smart cities, AI optimizes urban planning, manages traffic flow, enhances energy efficiency, and bolsters public safety through analytics and predictive modeling. For environmental sustainability, AI powers environmental monitoring, climate modeling, and resource management systems, providing insights into ecological trends, aiding conservation efforts, and promoting efficient resource allocation. Section 10. AI challenges and considerations. The integration of AI presents multifaceted challenges that we must address responsibly. First is the ownership and authorship dilemma. A key challenge is determining rightful ownership and authorship of AI-generated content. With AI's increasing ability to generate creative content, there's a growing need to define intellectual property rights, especially in industries like music, art, and literature, where AI contributes significantly to the creative process. Second is bias mitigation and algorithmic fairness. AI algorithms can inadvertently learn biases presented in training data, leading to biased decision-making, perpetuation of stereotypes, and false information. Ensuring fairness involves proactively detecting and mitigating these biases to promote equitable outcomes for all users. Third is the refined role of the artist. As an AI integrates into art and music, a traditional role of the artist is being questioned. Artists are collaborating with AI to explore new forms of expression, but this raises important questions about the extent of human creativity versus AI-driven automation. Being aware of these challenges equips you to identify areas of concern to use AI more consciously in both your personal and professional life. Section 11. Effectively talking about AI in the workplace. Being able to communicate effectively about AI is a valuable skill, especially as many coworkers have limited knowledge or experience with these technologies. Your ability to explain complex AI topics help both your understanding and the education of others. Here are some essential tips for talking about AI. First, use simple language. Avoid technical jargon and complex terminology that might confuse or intimidate your audience. Second, highlight both strengths and limitations. Emphasize AI's capabilities, like automating tasks, processing data, and improving efficiency, but also address its limitations, including potential biases, errors, and ethical considerations. Third is encourage open dialogue. Foster an environment where coworkers feel comfortable asking questions, sharing concerns, and contributing to ideas about AI implementation. Probing questions are crucial for facilitating meaningful conversations and guiding decision-making. Here are some key questions to ask. To clarify objectives, ask, what specific tasks or processes are you looking to improve or streamline with AI tools? This helps pinpoint areas where AI can be the most beneficial. To assess expectations, ask, what are your expectations regarding the learning curve and training required for using AI tools efficiently? This helps manage expectations and plan for skill development. To address concerns, ask, do you have any concerns or reservations about adopting AI tools into our work environment? This opens discussions about worries regarding job security, ethics, or reliability. To explore integration, ask, how do you envision AI tools integrating with our current systems and technologies? This helps plan integration strategies and assesses compatibility. To evaluate impact, ask, how do you plan to measure the success and ROI of implementing AI tools in our work processes? This prompts a consideration of measurement metrics and success criteria. Remember, when explaining AI, whether for a team project or marketing campaign, always balance the explanation of AI's capabilities with its limitations and tailor your communication to your coworkers' level of understanding. Section 12. Advancing in AI from basics to mastery. AI will continue to impact your life, both personally and professionally. To develop your knowledge and expertise in this rapidly evolving field, consider these advancement strategies. Enroll in specialized courses focusing on specific AI domains like machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, or robotics. Engage in hands-on projects on platforms like Kaggle or GitHub to apply your knowledge in real-world scenarios. Focus on networking. Connect with AI professionals, join online communities such as LinkedIn subgroups, and attend conferences to stay up to date with the latest developments. Pursue advanced reading by diving into research papers, AI journals, and books by experts to explore advanced concepts and cutting-edge developments. Seek collaboration opportunities with AI enthusiasts to contribute to open-source AI projects to share insights and learn from peers. You can conduct historical analysis by reflecting on past AI developments, breakthroughs, and case studies to understand AI's evolution and anticipate future trends. Most importantly, stay current. Curate your news feeds by following AI developers and platforms, setting up news alerts, and following AI through thought leaders on social media. This flexibility is key to adapting as AI trends change. Remember, the field of AI is constantly evolving, and your journey of learning and growth should be continuous. By maintaining curiosity, staying informed, and actively engaging with AI technologies, you'll be well positioned to leverage AI's capabilities in your personal and professional endeavors. All right, you made it. Thank you for checking out this video to prepare for your AI Essentials exam by CompTIA. If you found this useful, give it a like and let me know in the comments if you'd like me to continue this series.